Hey guys, Jeff here from Countryside RV in Jamestown. I want to show you this brand new Forest River Salem Hemisphere we just got in. Beautiful floor plan here. Let me turn around. Got her inside the shop here. 2 awnings. This is a washer dryer model. And you'll see when I get inside on it. It's just awesome. It's a 380WDR. Look at all that storage underneath this thing. So this thing has a 6-point auto level system on it, but this storage is just massive. It's got the solar panel up on top. Of course, you got your auto level like we just talked about. Don't know what that's for. Never used one before. But yeah, we got the solar panel is awesome. But again, look at this huge storage. Let me walk around the other side here real quick. I'll get some pictures when we get it outside of more storage, but this thing is just loaded with storage in a fifth wheel. Going back to this one back here, you get a little extra one over here. Basically, it's behind the entertainment center. So again, this is a 2 awnings, big fifth wheel, 380, washer dryer room, I call it. Remember, outdoor TV right here, which is kind of nice. Okay, let's go inside this thing. So right when you walk in, we're going to check out the living room first. So you got this awesome little island. Got your sink over here, extra counter space. So table and chairs to eat at is right there. So you got like a bar height kind of sort of island, which is nice. Got 4 nice little chairs. Everything's decored. Got the teak interior in this thing. You got a little bench right there for desk. More storage for your pantry. All recliners in this thing. Got your hide-a-bed sofa sleeper in there, trifold that comes way out. Again, you got your fireplace, big TV. Furrion puts together this beautiful 12-volt side-by-side black decor. Love the new black decor. Refrigerators they got here. Full size, and I mean full size, stove. So you got your 4-burner stove, large microwave on top, and giant oven. Now this one comes with a washer dryer, or excuse me, dishwasher in it. So you got your little dishwasher down below. Little sink there. Lots of storage in this one. Tons and tons of storage. All your cabinets are going to be soft close. This one comes with the cup holder right here. And you get your little rain faucet through here. And so 3 access points for water on this one. 3 roof air conditioners. We got one there, and one up front. So walking down the hallway into the washer dryer room. So this is the Splendi's extra capacity washer dryers. So they could be stackable, but they put them side by side, which is really nice. You got a little spot there to do all your laundry. Good sink there, and it doubles as a half bath. So lots of storage. Got a nice big rack up there to hang all your clothes while you're doing your laundry. Again, the storage up above. So this room is just pretty cool. This is why they call it the WDR. So you got your half bath in here. Very unique floor plan. Give us a call out here. This is a Salem Hemisphere 380 WDR. So we're walking to the king bed. We're going to hang a TV on this one, so that's why that TV is there. But king size bedroom. This is basically your master suite. Walk in over here. Kind of show you the layout. 6 drawer dressers, got your little bench underneath here. Underneath this thing, got your storage and your little baskets. So, walk up in here. This coach just keeps on going. So, master suite, got a little bench that folds down inside the shower. Want to sit down, hang out in the shower for a while? You got that going on for you. You got the couple sink, giant lit mirror in the back. For getting ready, lots of storage down. Look at how big those drawers are. So you got your up top ones for your little knickknacks, and then you got your giant ones down below. So, and I said this thing keeps on going. Not over yet. So now you got a giant closet in the front. So it's a walk-in closet. Got your storage on that side. Got a little bench on this side. This is a clothes rack that goes all the way around in here. Tell me you can bring some clothes with on this one. This is all adjustable shelving. We don't have the shelving up. There's 2 shelves down here, and you got the pegs on the sides over there, so you can adjust them here wherever you want. Same thing with these. All of these you can adjust so you can put the shelves obviously anywhere you want. So it's basically like another little room in here. Kind of cool. Again, Salem Hemisphere, 2026, brand new floor plan they came out with. 380 WDR. Just remember the washer and dryer room. WDR. This coach is absolutely phenomenal. We just got it in yesterday. We already got quite a few people looking at it. This one comes with all the nice little blinds, just like all the Salems have on them. So you got the 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slides on this one. And it looks like it has 10 slides. I swear it. It's huge. This thing is massive. You get your barrel roof in this fifth wheel. Don't really need a barrel roof in a fifth wheel, but look how high the ceilings are. So they usually have the barrel roofs in the travel trailers only, just to give you some more headroom. But they put them in the fifth wheels too. Love it. You guys want any more information on this? Get a hold of myself, Jeff, out here at Countryside RV, or you can talk to my beautiful wife, Ramey. She answers the phone. She can answer any questions about this also. Give us a call, 701-252-3444. You can check us out on our website, countrysidervnd.com, or you can just come out, check it out for yourself. Just 2 miles south here, Jamestown on Highway 281. Can't miss us. We're right on the east side of the road. Bunch of Salems in there. The Salems have been disappearing fast, but we just placed an order for 5 more today. So they're going to keep showing up. These are already built, by the way. If it's not ordered, we're going to have to wait 5 months to get it. So they're done, built, ready to come on the way. Got some more travel trailers, got more fifth wheels. Got full stock out here at Countryside RV. You know, you're the little dealer with the right attitude. Give us a call.